Hey y'all, welcome back to B-Rad Garage. A little chilly today, but that's all right. We're gonna take a look at this Chevy Box truck behind me. It's actually got an Isuzu motor, kind of a neat little mixed up brand hybrid kind of deal. Just kind of take a look at the inside. I think it's a neat rig. Should start for us and whatnot, but kind of need some project ideas from y'all. I've been wanting to do something with this for a while and just not sure what to do with it yet. So I really appreciate all the support. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. Now let me hush and let's make this thing be rad, y'all. Hey y'all, onto the interior. Just small Spartan kind of seats. You do get a headrest on this one, so that's fancy. The seat's kind of sunk in over there. You just kind of fall back to the back of the cab, but super like 80s to me. I think it's a 90 or 91 or something, but super 80s. Where'd that leaf come from? Oh well. Anyway, yeah, it's an auto, like I say, a little 4-cylinder diesel. It's a neat little rig, man. I like it. It's just different, you know. I've always wanted to have one of these for like a miniature toy hauler or like a little camper to take places or whatnot. But like I say, nothing big. Got the old vent in the roof. Some of y'all may not have ever seen those before. Kind of let some fresh air in. But like I say, pretty Spartan interior. But I like it. I mean, I like that old 80s look and feel. So yeah, so not much to see here. But let's crack this thing up in the air and take a look at this big motor. So this truck is what I've been told referred to as a cab over, meaning cab over engine design. So got these little hooks and clasps and whatnot, and you pick this up and you actually lift the hood up and it like hangs up in the air. It's pretty trippy and always kind of makes me laugh, and it's just kind of like a hilarious thing for me to see the front of a truck like pointing to the ground. It's not light by any means. It should be a one-person job. Like I say, this just kind of makes me laugh. Like whole front of a truck just pointing at the ground. But yeah, you've got this little hinge right here that kind of clicks into place with this right there, and there's a key that you pop from in there and slide through there to keep this rascal from falling on you. So yeah, here's what I was telling you. Little Isuzu diesel. I believe it's a 4-cylinder. Look at this rock and roll turbo right there. That's a big boy. That's a but hey, tiny turbo's better than no turbo, right? Um, Obviously needs looking at, needs going over. Does it say what this is? Advertised horsepower. Oh, that's cool. 126 fuel rate, valve lash. That's kind of cool. Yeah, 4B D1T 235 cubic inch is what this is. But yeah, we should be able to get this thing fired up. I don't know if it'll count as a cold start. It's like 40 degrees here in Texas, but you know, we'll see. Kind of let it idle, let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll see if it'll move backwards for us. All right, y'all, we got one battery in instead of two, but I think that's okay. Still think it's hilarious that I can start this standing outside it with the cab crooked. But anyway, let's see if this little thing will fire up. All right, good sign. Heck yeah. A little shaky, but that's all right. Probably pretty cold. Like I say, it's not cold, but for us it feels cold. Those little diesels idling, I like the way they sound. What's this angry buzzer? Battery, that makes sense. Fuel, okay. I'll have to manually check the fuel. I don't think the gauge works. All right, y'all. We'll let this sit for a second, kind of idle up a little bit, maybe 5-10 minutes, and then get back with y'all. All right, y'all. You can probably see a big pile of brush and sticks back there. So I think we're going to fire it back up. It's been running about 10-15 minutes. It's been setting about 10-15 minutes. I had to go change a flat big shocker there. Something was flat out here. So yeah, we'll see if we can get this thing to start up, go back and forth a little bit. Heck yeah. Reverse went good, forward went okay. Shoot, I think the brakes even work. Is the radio working? Oh, that's tuned. Oh, it kind of works. Here we go. Yeah, getting down out of here. Getting old. Heck yeah, y'all. That was good, right? I know that didn't probably look too thrilling on camera, but I mean, hey, it moved. Didn't really complain too much. I like that. All right, y'all. So I know this doesn't look like much here. Kind of trying to get y'all on the back of my truck to see inside, but anyway, tried to throw some light in there. You can tell we're not waterproof. Well, think y'all can tell. Got water right here, so we definitely have a leak in the back. Did some quick measurements, and it is about 16 foot deep, 7 foot wide, about 7 foot tall. So pretty good amount of space to work with. There's really just a lot of junk in here now. I'll kind of get y'all a little closer just to show y'all. But yeah, nothing that can't be cleaned out. Just stuff, you know, my dad wanted to keep dry and stuff like that. So let me get y'all a little closer and we'll take a look up here real quick. Yeah, kind of like I was saying, this is towards the back. Water all over this tub. Got some miscellaneous car parts out there because I'm a hoarder. And then like my dad always used the cardboard for like creepers, you know, for laying on the ground. Got some old tires, just some old furniture, just random stuff. Like I say, stuff you want to keep dry. It seems like the back is maybe our only leak, which is kind of awesome. But what do y'all think we should do with this thing? I always kind of thought about maybe like a small wannabe toy hauler thing, or just like where 1 or 2 people could kind of camp out a little bit, maybe have like a small 4-wheeler or something back here. I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, I mean, I don't think I have the skill set to do like a tiny home on wheels or whatever, but some kind of little build out maybe with a, I don't know, maybe a side door, maybe a just coming in through here. I'm not sure, but y'all let me know what you think. I know this is kind of a random video if y'all haven't seen my other videos, but hopefully y'all get a kick out of it. Kind of get some discussion started on kind of what I need to do with this thing. I love hearing from y'all and what y'all want to see. Let me jump down out of here. I'll probably turn this off before I do. I might fall on the ground. Hey y'all, appreciate you hanging out. I know it was kind of a quick video, just kind of a broad walk around, but just kind of wanted to see if y'all thought this was a cool rig like I do. Y'all might want to see it on the channel. Let me know if you got any ideas for it. I really appreciate y'all's input, all the support, the likes, comments, subscribes is awesome. Now let me hush. Now y'all get out there and make it be rad, everybody.